As the Illinois Department of Transportation continues to evaluate options for improving the Eisenhower Expressway, communities along its route are being asked to comment on specific aspects of the project. The focus now is on air quality and noise. State transportation officials are examining how these factors are related to roadway height and ramp locations, which also are affected by existing conditions such as drainage systems and adjacent railways. When the Eisenhower Expressway was designed and constructed in the 1950s, engineers had no noise or air quality standards to help them create a new major highway through such a densely populated area. Data on how design affected traffic safety also were scarce when I-290 was designed. Officials say the only real consideration when the entry and exit ramps at Austin Boulevard and Harlem Avenue originally were designed was minimizing the footprint of the roadway through Oak Park. Limiting exhaust, protecting adjacent neighborhoods from traffic noise and the complications of having ramps in a non-standard location were not major concerns in 1950s-era highway design and construction. But times have changed. Now, as plans to rebuild I-290 are developed, designers and engineers have an abundance of data to help guide design and construction. Data they say are now being used extensively to plan the Eisenhower's future look and function. While state studies suggest proposed changes to the highway will not affect air quality in Oak Park, noise levels, some created by the original design, need to be addressed and mitigated. Proposed plans would lower portions of the highway by 8 feet and shift its footprint 25 feet further south within the current right-of-way. These steps, officials say, are intended primarily to help reduce flooding on I-290, the CTA Blue Line, and the CSX Railroad, but also should help reduce traffic noise. Under federal regulations, it is likely that property owners adjacent to I-290 will be asked to weigh in on whether or not additional noise walls should be installed, but their exact placement and height have not yet been determined. A three-dimensional model of the highway design is on display at Village Hall. As the Village Board considers these narrow aspects of the overall I-290 project, public comment is welcome.